G'day folks, and welcome to a new Ironman 4x4 Africa workshop video. And last time I looked, I was still Mick van Zyl. I'm sitting inside a bit of an enigma of a vehicle as far as four-wheel drive vehicles are concerned. It's quite small, quite compact, but it is very, very capable. Solid axles front and rear, low-range gearbox, a little 1500 four-cylinder engine that sings like a sewing machine, and it really can go where most four-wheel drives dare not go. I'm of course talking about the new generation Suzuki Jimny. Cute as a button. Now, today we're fitting a upgraded suspension kit. We're going to induce around a 40mm lift. We're putting a steering damper on. I do, however, want to warn you about a couple of things with the Jimny. It's not really a great overlanding vehicle, going on long trips with a lot of luggage. The payload on this vehicle is quite low. It's only 325 kilograms. So that means that driver, passenger, and any gear that you fit into the vehicle or accessories fit onto the vehicle and any gear you're taking overlanding with you has to come out of the 325 kilograms, and that is not a lot. Having said that, however, this vehicle is very popular with singles or couples that are into overlanding. They want a small, nippy vehicle, and people who have trained themselves to pack minimalistically. So that'll be a requirement if you're considering this vehicle for overlanding. But as I said, just an absolute phenomenal vehicle, and I really enjoy them. So one of the first things that we do when we fit a suspension kit to the Jimny is to remove this cross-member brace just behind the front axle. We have to remove it and fit an Ironman 4x4 spacer to drop this little subframe brace down, which will allow for more articulation and more clearance on the prop shaft. So that's what Rico is doing first on this fitment. Go for it. And that, folks, wraps up the suspension fitment to today's Jimny. We got about 45mm of lift on this vehicle, which is what we expected. It's due to come back in 500 k's time for a post-fitment suspension check. Definitely, if you're having suspension fitted, make sure you go back to the fitment center within 1,000 kilometers, let them recheck all those nuts and bolts. By that time, the ride height will have settled down to around a 40mm lift, which is exactly what we're expecting. These vehicles don't do well with any lifts more than that, 40 mils as a maximum. They're quite small, they can be top heavy, so keep it to 40 mils, don't go wild with them. Really chuffed with this, with the outcome on this vehicle. I'm sure the owner is going to enjoy it. If you've liked this video, by all means, please subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification button as well, because we're due to bring you some really exciting and funky builds in the near future. One of those vehicles being Dirk, our intrepid cameraman's Renault Duster. So look out for that one on the channel in the near future. Until we see you next time, take care.